CNC Electric Group Company Limited, specialized in manufacturing industrial electrical products, is a national large-scale enterprise integrated with R&D, manufacture, trade and service, etc. Our product scope includes circuit breaker, AC contactor, mining explosion-proof vacuum feeder switch, power transformer, watt-hour meter, switchgear with more than 100 product series and 20,000 specifications. CNC has obtained 3 management system certificates, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSMS 18000. The leading products have obtained China CCC certificates. Our international certification includes CE, CB, etc. CNC attaches great importance to R&D and improvement. The technical center has been set up. CNC will keep on optimizing and upgrading the industrial structure with its active innovation, thought of cooperation and development, so as to provide customers with more perfectly overall solutions. Facing the new challenge, CNC Electric Group will continue to expand and integrate into the global market with great determination, and will further make great effort for making strategies of diversification operation and global services. Directed by the lofty philosophy, technology services mankind. CNC is striving to be an international well-known enterprise with scientific management, good company image, and large scale.